You guide. Okay, so a bachelor's degree, what does that do? Or how long is it? Better question. This is the one that, like, if you're like, yeah, I'm going to a 4-year college, you're getting a bachelor's degree. Yeah. 4-year. And normally this is for something other than a skills-based job. Okay, something other than skills-based. And what do I mean by that? Is like you're not gonna go to a 4-year college to be like a plumber, a mechanic, a paramedic, like all those kind of things. Like the hands-on jobs, not the bachelor's. Cool.
Okay, normal sales schedule, but not have line activities for the day due to some unforeseen circumstances. We will not have line activities today. We will follow normal sales schedule or as far as within.
All right, graduate degree, that's going to be about 2 to like 6 years, depending on like how long. And normally this is like the higher degree. This is your master's, this is your doctorate, this is your specialist. Okay. Right, you have to have your bachelor's before you can do the graduate school. Okay, so there's undergrad, which is bachelor's, graduate school, which is master's plus. Okay. All right, associate degree. Normally these are skills based, and normally these are the 2-year programs. So sometimes you can go get like an auto technician certification, but they're 2 years. Okay. And then tech school is going to be very similar to what they call trade school. And that's normally going to be about a 1 to 2-year program. Okay. Everybody okay on those? Really, it just varies on the years and the types of skills that you need in order to get the degree. All right, so you're going to flip to number 5 and 6. Flip to number 5 and 6. And even if you didn't get there, it's okay. Just follow along. Why did they get rid of lines? Like, what does that, how does that make sense? Yeah, but what? I'm going to check my email in a second. All right, we're on 5 and 6. So Walmart sells a 12-pack of ice cream bars for $8.99. What is the unit price? Okay, so when we're talking about unit price, we're talking about per ice cream bar, how much does it cost us? So the total for this is $8.99. And we're going to divide it by how many are in the pack, which is 12. Okay, so that's going to give me 0.75. Now here's where you're all messed up on the test. A lot of you just left it like this and said that was the answer. Sometimes the answer is written like this, 75 cents. Okay, so back in elementary school, you learned that symbol. That symbol means cents. Cool. So it might be like 75.2 cents. Cool. All right, Sarah's account is in the deficit, $10.44, because she got Starbucks not knowing Apple Music took her last $10. Her bank charges her $25 overdraft fee every day she's not put money into her account. Write an equation that represents how much is in her account will be in deficit each day she doesn't deposit money back in her account. So where is her account right now? Like what number is it at? Is it 10.44? Remember, she's in a deficit. So what does that mean? So she's starting at negative $10.44. Yeah. Okay, so we're starting there. And every day she's losing $25 when she doesn't put something into her bank account. Okay, get that? Now, sometimes they'll give you the total and it might say, hey, she's only at $250 in her account. But since this is saying that it took her last $10, that would put her below zero. Does that make sense? Okay, so it's kind of tricky how that word is worded. All right, everybody good? Okay. All right. Let's chat.